business idea and you need 100 million ringgit to make it a reality. Where would you get that money? Instead of borrowing from banks, many companies choose to raise their funds through the stock market. And this is where Bursa Malaysia comes in. As Malaysia Stock Exchange, Bursa Malaysia provides a marketplace where companies can offer their shares to investors to raise the capital needed and grow their business. In this video, we will explain to you how the process works and why is it important for both investors and companies.
Husna, come on in.
Morning, Mr. LUQMAN.
Morning, Husna. As you know, I have been considered that our company to be listed in the Bursa Malaysia. How about you?
Yes, as you mentioned before. Actually, I have done some research regarding it.
Really? So do you think this is the best choice for us?
Of course. Let me show you how IPO actually works. Okay, so actually this IPO chart is quite simple to read, but it's okay. Let me explain to you one by one. So let's take a look at the first column. Okay, this column shows the name of the company that are currently listed on Bursa Malaysia. And then we move to the next column, which is the listing date. Listing date is the column where it represents the date when the company was officially listed on Bursa Malaysia. And then we move to listing price. So listing price is the column that represent the IPO prices that has been offered to investors before they started to trade. And then we move to the current price. Okay, current price will then be compared to listing price to show the performance of the IPO prices itself. So the higher the current price means that the IPO prices has been performed very well. Let's take a look at the example of Skychip Company. Skychip Company holds the highest current price for RM2.80, which when they first listed on Bursa Malaysia, their price was only 88 cents. And then it shows the performance of their IPO prices has been performed very well. And then we move to the next column, which is the SO performance, SC performance, and H performance columns, where these columns represent the columns of the stock's performance over different periods of times. And then the IPO score columns. IPO score column represent the overall indication of the performance itself. And lastly, the market column. Market column will be the column that determines if the company will be listed on ACE or main market. So, CEO, by comparing the listing price, the current price, the performance percentage, and also the IPO score, it helps us to assess quickly on how successful an IPO has been.
Oh, okay. I understand now.
I heard that you want to list your company in Bursa Malaysia.
Yes, that's true. We are dedicated to do so.
Bursa Malaysia? That's new to me.
Oh, I've heard about the process of the IPO. But can you explain the first step of the IPO process?
It's all about the IPO, which means initial public offering. For us, as a Syariah compliance company, we want the process of the IPO is ensured by the Islamic finance principle.
Let me break it down. For the preparation, the company must appoint an advisor, prepare the audited account, and a draft of prospectus. Importantly, the business activity must be halal. For Sharia screening, the Sharia Advisory Council check our activity and financial ratio to confirm compliance. And next is approval by the Bursa Malaysia and Security Commission after review.
The last three stages are pricing, subscription, and listing day. Firstly, the offer price is set during pricing. Secondly, investors can subscribe to share during the IPO session. Thirdly, during listing day, shares can be traded on Bursa Malaysia through Islamic brokers and IFI.
That sounds complicated. I wish you well then.
6 months later.
Congratulations! I can see that your company is getting really well now. Your share price is getting bigger and also your net price is getting higher. May I know what's your next approach because I'm getting curious now.
Thank you. Currently, I'm focusing on pursuing in a secondary listing abroad. Come on in, let's have a seat.
Okay.
Actually, I want to share with you that Bursa Malaysia also offers other fundraising methods which is a right issue method and private placement method. So for the right issue, a common shares inject more capital in a companies, while private placement is a selected investor that can invest in some companies.
Oh, this mechanism helps company to raise fund even after IPO, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought IPO was the only way. I should have listened. Now my company is stuck with limited capital.
Don't worry, it's not too late because you can see on the ACE market or the NIT market because this platform suitable for raising a company like your companies.
Oh, really?
May you introduce yourself?
My name is Auni Faziha. I study in entrepreneurship.
So my name is EFFENDI. I am student of Diploma Halal Industry.
My name is Ilham Alman.
So my name is Nurhani Sabagis. You can call me Hanasa. I'm from Desai 6A.
Okay, so hi, my name is Muhammad Iman bin Rozi and I'm from Diploma in Halal Industry.
Have you ever heard about Bursa Malaysia?
Oh no, I never heard about Bursa Malaysia.
Yes, I heard it before. I heard it from my lecturer.
Oh.
No, I haven't.
No.
No, I have never heard.
Do you know about IPO? That stands for Initial Public Offering.
Oh yes, I've heard from my friends before, but I do not know any more of it.
No.
No.
In your opinion, what is the main way for the company to get modal to expand their business?
In my opinion, it was from their maybe funds, maybe their own money, and maybe the profit from their companies.
There's many ways for their business to expand their company. For example, networking.
I think the main ways they should have is from loan from the bank. I think that's the most professional answer.
To expand their business. Investment.
For my opinion, maybe I can use my own money to get the model.